Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Wealth channel. We'll see the forecast for Nifty and Banknifty for 10th September tomorrow. Today Nifty expiry got over for September 9th. Today I made a very small trade. I was able to make a small profit of around 4,924. Let's see for tomorrow's trade. So these are the entry and exit points I have marked. Things will not be more changed for tomorrow. I think that tomorrow it could be a more simple entry and exit, but Nifty premium will be high because tomorrow will be the first day of the week. But we continue to see the entry and exit. Okay. Let's start with Nifty. If we see here, Nifty has closed 24,868, which is good. And we expected the Nifty will close below 24,890. So in yesterday's prediction, I would have told that today's expiry, Nifty will close below 24,890. Exit all your positions at 24,890. This one I should have written there. But it was today's expiry, so I expected there could be a chance it can even go till 24,970 and it can drop below 24,890, but Nifty did not even cross 24,890. Okay, but it's fine, no problem. So if we see today, and again there was a lower point for 24,730, 24,670. So these points still is not tested. So it is now trading above, but 24,670 is one of the support where it can come down, but it may not come tomorrow immediately, but during the next expiry, whenever it is breaking the support at this bottom level. So just to have it in mind, the price can come down to test this point as well. Okay, this point is around 24,670. But as of now, currently, if you see the prediction, I'm tomorrow and next few days, I'm more biased above side. So for let's see the prediction for tomorrow entry points for buy points. If the price break above and sustains above 24,892, so we are almost very close to this. Current price is 868. If it close above 892 in 15 minutes candle, then we can go for target 24,970. If you see here, 24,890 was the point where it has taken the resistance, it has come down. Okay, so this is the same point which I expect to break if the price closes above in 15 minutes. Okay, in 15 minutes, you see the resistance zone. So this resistance zone has to get vanished, and it will get sellers will get vanished if the price cross below 24,890. So if a green candle or any candle, if it closes above this, a body should close, not the wick. If the body closes above, then we will cross this zone. This zone is multiple tested. You see, it has tested here 8th September. It has tested 9th September. So here once, twice, thrice. So many times this zone is tested. So once it breaks, it will start moving more faster upward side. Okay, the next target will be 24,970. So once it crosses 24,890, if it closes, you can confidently go for buy position, and it can reach, ultimately it will reach 24,930. Even if it comes below, there is a support. You can see these supports. There are support zones are there, right? So 24,890, it will cross to 24,970. Okay, this is one target. Okay, so you see here that there are resistance here 24,970. Okay, so then 24,970 was the pullback previously. So this is the same target I'm giving as a next target. Once the price cross above 24,970, the next target will be 25,025. Okay, so 25,025 will act as a very good resistance here, 25,025, and the price will a little bit show resistance at this point. Once it crosses 25,150, Nifty is turning bullish. Okay, so these are the next main points. So 890 it has to break, and then the next settlement point is 24,970, and once it crosses 24,970 and it is going to touch here 25,000, 25,000, 25,025, it will stay for some time, and once Nifty will turn bullish once it breaks 25,150, then we will completely, it will be in bullish position. Okay, until then we need to be a bit careful because we also have a lower zone. Probably it goes, touches 24,970, it spends some time around and then go, or probably touch 25,000, it spends around and it can go. We can see the higher candle also. If you see here, you see this one which I marked, this one which I have marked, this is an important zone. So where the price got pushed from 25 to 253, the price got pushed downwards, right? So here this will act as a, see, 25, this zone will act as a resistance zone. Okay, and once this point high in 21st August where it touched 25,150, if this breaks, then Nifty will start moving up. The next point will be 25,300, 330. Okay, so you can note down, but tomorrow I'm not sure it will reach up till here, but these are the points: 24,890, 24,970, and then 25,25, then 25,150. 150 breaks, it will completely be bullish. Then it is 25,330. You can note down all these points, and for next 1 week also. These are the points upside. Okay, at below side sell target, if the price breaks below 24,720, okay, then I'm giving 24,670. See here I'm giving there are a lot of support zones are there. That is why I'm not able to give a very closer entry position for sell. So if you see here, see support is there. Yeah, so what I suggest is if it is coming below 24,720, then you can enter into sell. This is just for 50 points. Okay, but the price reaching to 24,720, it may not happen immediately tomorrow. If there is any news which will affect Indian market, then it will come and test here. Okay, to the below points till 24,670. Okay, till this range it can come and test. Okay, but tomorrow if it looks if it breaks up, you can check for above. But the opening of Nifty we cannot predict. Every day it is completely new and it is completely surprising. It opens a gap up, next day gap down. It's completely opposite on each day. So let's not predict on opening of the Nifty. We concentrate on the entry. If the entry crosses 24,892, then the target is this. If the entry crosses 24,970, this is the target. So irrespective of gap up, gap down, flat, whatever it is, we will go with this entry. This entry price is satisfied, we go for this exit. If the entry price is satisfied, we go for this exit. Okay, let's quickly go to Bank Nifty. Okay, for Bank Nifty, so here again, Bank Nifty, it is closing up. Let me go for a little lower time frame to see clear signals. Let me go to 1 hour. Okay, so if we see here, Bank Nifty currently it is 54,216. It is good. It is trading above 54,200. So it is at Bank Nifty is at support. See, you see here I have drawn a support zone. So Bank Nifty is at support only. If it breaks below 54,000, then we can consider for Bank Nifty sell side. If you see the sell side, if price breaks below 54,000, then have a short sell target of 53,870, 53,800. So this blue line is there, right? So once it breaks here, which was also the low point of today, if it breaks here 54,000, 54,45, then you can target this range of target, right? So it is possible it can come down till 53,720 also. Okay, 53,800 and then below 53,720. So sell side you can enter only below 54,000, I would suggest. because it is at the support side. Okay, above for buy target, if the price breaks above and sustains above 54,290, then the target one is 54,373. Okay, so just 70 points. The reason is because you see here, this was the place where it took the resistance. Once it breaks this point of today, 54,290, then the next target is 54,373. This is a very easy thing. Okay. And if it crosses 54,400, 54,522, 525 is easy target. These two targets are very easy, 54,373 and 54,525. There is no big hurdles. If the bank nifty start moving up, it can reach up till here in a very easy manner. For downward side, there is a lot of support. So it has to cross many hurdles to break 54,000 to come down. Okay. But once it decides to move up above 54,290, just you need to wait to cross 54,300. Once it crosses 54,300, the next stopping point is 54,373. Then wait 54,400 cross, then 54,525, 125 points. These are all, this can be smooth targets. Okay, 54,520, this is 54,520, this 54,525, this was the previous resistance. So till here price can easily move. Okay, and after once it breaks here, then we can see this little later. Okay. You see here, up till here it can go 54,690. Once after it crosses 54,690, bank nifty can be bullish. See, 55,453, it will start shooting up. So the biggest thing is 54,525, which is possible. Okay, see here, till this zone there are resistance. That is why I split the buy target for two things. For 54,290, if it cross 54,290, if it cross, I said 54,373. So if this hurdle it cross 54,373, I gave this one, right, 54,373, right. And once this resistance of 15 minutes candle is crossed, 54,394, which it will cross. So I told 54,400 to close, because in 15 minutes candle there is a resistance here. Already we are in resistance zone. Within the resistance zone, I'm trying to give a position. Above 54,400 here, if the candle closes, then it can reach here. If it reaches here, definitely when it touches 54,525, it will come down. It will come down. It will spend time here, and then it will break. It is going to definitely spend some 1 or 2 days in this range, and then only it will break. Okay, so there is a downward target is also there. There is a sufficient resistance that can push the price down also. So you need to be very stick to this points. So even when it crosses 54,300, once you have some profit, you can always close, because you can see the resistance zone. So within this resistance zone, I have given the buy targets. So completely Nifty will start having bullish once all this resistance zone is gone. Above 54,520, it will go up. So between these points, it will go, and the price can push down, and it can even break 54,000. It can come here and then start moving up also. Okay. Okay, guys. So note down these points. Note down these points. So this is for today. Thank you, everyone. Okay. Let me. Thank you, everyone, for seeing this video. See you tomorrow. Bye.